You can beat your drums in my heart, and I will dance to the rhythm of your beat. You can strike your chord in my heart, and I will move to the rhythm of your stroke. Light your lamp in my heart, and I will follow the leading of your light. Be enthroned on the altar of my heart, Holy Ghost. This heart belongs to you. Be enthroned on the altar of my heart, Holy Ghost. This heart belongs to you.